One time.
How you feeling, Si?
I actually want to know how many pictures that could take, you know?
I don't know. Depends on the size of the picture, too. The smaller the picture, the more storage. You okay, Si?
I'm thinking somewhere around maybe 100 to 200 pictures.
Oh, I think it's more than that. Yeah.
Mommy.
Yeah.
I'm tying my shoe.
Can you tie your shoe, Daddy? Come tie your shoe.
Sorry, the shoes are tied.
No, they're not.
Hold this.
Just pull the bow part.
Hold this. This one?
You don't want to put your glasses on?
Super hot everywhere.
So that has nothing to do with your glasses, right?
The glasses are for you not to be blinded by the sun. Are the glass making you hotter? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, making me hotter. Plus it's itching.
Well,
It's
take them
itching? Okay, we'll put them in your pocket. It's, oh, the sweat.
That's why it's itching so much, because the sweat is making.
Yeah, well, it happens.
Put
Let me
it on
see.
your neck.
Let me see. There you go. Rolling thunder. We're late. We're taking our time. We may see bikes. We may not see bikes.
Well, we gonna see bikes.
But Big Daddy is not here to regale us. We're not rallying around him this time because he had hip surgery, so he can't ride. Oh, here, give it to me. Cyrus should be holding that. Here, give it to me. Ramon, here. No, you gave it to him.
No, I didn't. Sebastian said let me hold it.
Oh. So we made museum hop since we're already late. So, I don't know what buildings we're walking through. Don't ask me. Oh, what is the post office department over there? In front of me, guys, I can't see you. Still rolling. Oh, we see them. See them flying.
Hey.
Yeah.
Quick question. Do they have the little fountain park thing? Do they have that little water park?
No, that's at Georgetown. That's a few blocks away from here. Many blocks. It is there though. It is there.
We'll go there.
It is in DC.
It is in DC.
We'll go there next time we come to DC. Maybe we can go down there and eat, Mommy.
Maybe
Sebastian.
we can go down there in the summer.
Go by Daddy. Ramon, get him. He's the slowest. Okay. I'm faster. Sire, walk up. Ooh, that's a nice little view down there. It's good you remember this little tunnel, babe.
What?
I said I'm surprised you remember this little tunnel.
Oh, yeah. Well, I mean,
This tunnel.
Symbolic?
yeah, like, you don't just forget something like this.
This tunnel reminds me of Jay calling Austin New. And I said,
Yeah.
She's mommy.
Yeah. Well, I'm your mommy. I'm his Auntie Nunu. Walk up, Sebastian.
Is this where we're watching?
We were across the street.
Hope so.
So we were across the street.
I don't feel like walking anymore.
Oh, we can stop right here. On the corner. It doesn't matter now. What's nice and cool right here too. Put your glasses on, you won't be squinting. Say if you keep your glasses on, you won't squint.
No, but you can utilize the crosswalks that are located on every single corner, and you can cross there.
We made it to see some bikes. We got bikes. We made it. You want some water now, guys?
Sebastian, tell me if you see a green one. Tell me if you see a green one.
It is hot as a mug. I think my face is dripping already. You hear me, babe? I got sweat dripping my eyebrow.
I got it on my shoulders now.
I told him earlier my shoulder blades are sweating. My eyebrow's sweating now. Let's see if y'all can see. Is my face wet? Oh my God. Oh yeah, he got lights. That's cool.
You see the one that look like a car? I don't think you saw it.
Back up, Sebastian. You gotta get so close. What did you do?
That's how mommy be yelling at y'all.
Really? That's not how I sound.
Yo, you want to take a look at that outfit? Look at that outfit, mommy. It's a BT.
We don't want to see it.
You don't want to see me?
No, we don't. We're good. Good chips, Dobies? Okay. Right there. Ramon! Ramon! Did anybody read what that was?
Huh?
I put it on the camera, but I didn't read what the sign said.
Sebastian, wait.
Come on, sire. Following you. All right, go ahead.
Excuse me.
No, don't go that way. We can't walk through the muddy swamps of shadows.
Mommy.
The shadow swamp. It's very deadly. No man has ever passed. Tell about it.
Yes. I'm safe now.
You are. Last passage.
We made it.
You take one picture before we leave?
Real picture?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Wait, Sebastian.
Go stand right here by this thing. This looks cool. Let's not kick. Let's just walk.
Walk. It's muddy. Don't kick it. Stop doing that, Bash.
Sebastian, pick up your feet and walk.
Thank you.
You stand in front of this thing right here. That looks cool.
Okay.
As many times we've been down in DC,
Never.
I have never seen this.
Nope.
Never seen this little garden area.
Nope. Stay here. Don't go too far.
It's got like seasonings and vegetables and herbs and spices and stuff over here. It's
Walk
really
all the way
cool.
around and come back to me, sire.
All right, as you guys come back, I want you to sit down
On that bench.
on that bench right there.
Okay?
Stop kicking. Let's walk. Go sit down on the bench. Pick a bench and sit down. Thank you. Sebastian, go sit down with sire. Go, guys. Hold hands. Hands, Sebastian. Thank you. Whew. You guys have fun going through a little weird maze thing? Sebastian, hands. Huh? Hold, Sebastian, hold side.
Last time we're gonna be in DC.
Ooh, it's hot.
Picture of these little motorcycles over here.
Oh man. It's hot. Is it getting hotter? After those little sprinkles of rain? Right? It's getting hotter, right?
Hey, where's my sunglasses?
In the bag. You want them? Alright. Sebastian, over here. Sebastian, over here. Stand over the wall. Stand up. Through the over. Scoot over. Scoot over.
Nice go, Ricky, guys. Nice go.
Step back. Step back. In the sky.
Let's go. I see it. You see the colossal head? It is crazy, right? Yeah.
Thank you.